Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. If you love smelling amazing all day but feel like your perfume fades too quickly, then today's video is for you. I'm sharing the most effective, tried and tested tips to make your scent last longer no matter which perfume you use. So, if you want to stay fresh, confident, and long-lasting from morning to night, keep watching. Most people think expensive perfume automatically lasts longer, but that's not true. The secret is knowing how and where to apply it. And today, I'm breaking it all down. Tip 1. Start with moisturized skin. Perfume lasts the longest on hydrated skin. Dry skin absorbs fragrance quickly, which makes your scent disappear faster. Before spraying perfume, apply an unscented moisturizer, body lotion, or even Vaseline to your pulse points. This creates a base that locks in the fragrance and helps it stay all day. Tip 2. Spray. Right after a shower. Right after a warm shower, your pores are open. This is the perfect time to apply fragrance because your skin will hold onto the scent for hours. Make sure your skin is completely dry, then spray the perfume on your pulse points. Trust me, this simple step alone can double the longevity of your scent. Tip 3. Know your pulse points. Perfume activates with heat. That's why pulse points are key. Spray on these areas: neck, behind the ears, wrists, inside, elbows, beneath space of the throat. These warm zones help your perfume project better and last longer. Tip 4. Don't rub your wrists. This is the biggest mistake people make. When you rub your wrists together after applying perfume, you break the fragrance molecules. This kills the top notes and reduces longevity. Instead, spray and let it dry naturally. Tip 5. Layer your scent. Layering makes a huge difference. Use a matching body wash, lotion, and perfume or combine complementary scents. Base notes like vanilla, musk, sandalwood, and amber are naturally long-lasting and help anchor lighter fragrances. Tip 6. Spray on clothes, but carefully. Perfume lasts longer on fabric than on skin. Spray on your clothes from a distance like your shirt, scarf, or jacket. Avoid silk or delicate materials, but for cotton or denim, your perfume can last 24+ hours. Tip 7. Choose long-lasting fragrance types if you want longevity. Choose Eau de Perfume et Extrait de Parfum perfume oil. These contain higher fragrance concentration and stay much longer than body mists or EDT. Tip 8. Store perfume correctly. Hot, sunlight, and humidity destroy perfume. Always store your bottles in a cool, dark place, never in your bathroom. And that's it. Follow these tips and your scent won't just last longer, it will stay unforgettable. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more fragrance videos. See you next time.